Hey guys! So I was trying to use ChatGPT today, and guess what? It's completely down. I searched ChatGPT is down, and guess what? Thousands of people are facing the same issue. I even screen recorded my struggle, constant errors, slow loading, and no responses. So in this video, let's break down. 1. Why is ChatGPT down? 2. How long will this last? 3. What can you do instead? And yes, I'll show you real-time proof that ChatGPT is acting crazy. So stick around. Okay, first, look at this. I typed a simple question, and instead of an answer, I got network error. Server is busy. Try again later. This is happening to so many people right now. Show Twitter/Reddit reactions if possible. So why is ChatGPT down? Server overload. Too many users at once. Possible maintenance. OpenAI might be updating things. Bug or glitch. Sometimes AI just breaks. How long will this last? Usually, a few hours, based on past outages. Check Downdetector or OpenAI's status page for updates. So yeah, ChatGPT is struggling right now, but don't panic. It'll be back soon. Meanwhile, which AI do you prefer? Let me know in the comments. And if you face this issue too, smash that like button. Let's see how many people are affected. Subscribe for more tech updates, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace. Two fingers up.